Hello, this is Russell Carlin, and this is my Week 2 status report. And for this week, we're just going over a few questions to kind of explain where we are on our app. And the first one being the state of the app. Right now, I did just some of the basic stuff. I'd had a short week, and I got the tabs finally to work. I got the character views started. They're not all the way completed how I want them, but a lot of them you can transition between. I still just need to make it so that you can save all the information and stuff like that. So, and all of my classes, all my views are pretty much created. I think I may have missed one or two of them, but everything is kind of set up and just waiting for me to add all the content into it. The challenges for this week were getting those tabs to work. That was a pain, to say the least. I'd never done the tabs before. I remember them mentioning it in one of our previous week's courses, but we didn't. That wasn't one of the assignments that we had to do. It was just kind of like a, hey, you can do this. It's, something that's a feature. And so I figured I would do it, and yeah, it was it was a bear to get everything working. So, but my accomplishments were that I did get it to work finally, after hours of racking my brain over it and looking at different examples and looking at the documents for Android and everything. I finally figured out exactly how to get it all to work, so I did get that to function properly. And I also did start on the character creation views that I'll be using to make a new character. So, and for the change requests, I did change the app, of course. So it's not the weather app anymore. It is the tavern, is what I'm calling it, and it's just a D&D kind of character creation sort of app, and also has a dice roller and everything with it. So another change request was reducing the content amount. After I kind of got into it, I realized that there are thousands upon thousands of feats and skills and abilities and classes, and just everything's kind of intertwined, and it's a big web of everything. So you'd have to kind of keep all of that in consideration, because you can't just pick any feat. You have requirements for each ability, for each feat, for each skill, all this stuff. So I realized that would just be insane to actually do all that. So I was going to go ahead and reduce the content amount so that it's something more of a beginner to D&D for now, where it's you pick a few of the main classes, like the fighter and wizard, stuff like that, and then you can pick some basic feats. So it's not the whole library of D&D, because that's quite insane. So, all right, well, the ETA and deadline. I seem to have gotten the bare part of the difficult part, those tabs, because it's something that like I said, I haven't done before. Everything else is pretty much things that we've done multiple times, so it should be pretty easy, since I already have experience with it and I don't have to actually learn it. So I'll just be able to go through it and just add what I need to add, and then develop the features as I go. So everything should be fine, and I should the keyword should have everything on the deadlines for the rest of the month. So, alright, well, thanks for watching, and I will see you all next week.